Did he wake you up? Watch him get upset. He wants to sleep, and Thurston makes him upset because he pierces his ears. Thurston, can you be a monkey? Can you be a telephone? Thurston, can you do anything? Oh, poor Toby. He wants to go back to sleep. He wants us to be quiet. Thurston, can you be a spaceship? Thurston, can you be a spaceship? I'm so mean. Poor Toby. He says, I just want to go to sleep. Would y'all shut up and let me go to sleep? Hey, what's your name? Thurston, what's your name? Ooh, that's a fax machine. Thurston, can you... Oh, call the police, call the police, call the police. Thank you. Oh, Toby's going to get up and run here soon and go in another room. I'm so sorry, Toby. He's like, I just want to sleep. Please, Lord, help me.